Thicken solid aluminium alloy, satin nickel. Home Security Toddler Proof. Swing bar door locks are security locking devices for swing-in doors. Allow people inside the room to open the door few inches for identification or ventilation while providing privacy and security for guests and residents. Door latches also can be installed out of children's reach so they can't open the door by themselves, providing additional child-safe door security. Notice: compatible with most wooden doors and molding when door is flush with door jamb. Durable construction. Door latches are constructed from premium solid aluminium alloy with beautiful polishing and finish to complement your lovely home decor. Door locks are difficult to rust or oxidize and will serve longer life. Ultra-thick swing arm and solid lock base ensure strong and durable quality, and resist up to 600 pounds force. Home security door lock can be unlocked easily from the inside with simple swinging motion, while too strong to be forced open from the outside. Advanced craft features. Kronok Home Security Door Latch Lock features steel ball positioning, which is a unique locking design that holds locking arm in place so they will not swing around for extra security. The countersunk hole design makes the security guard lock noble and elegant. A must-have door stopper security bar for every home. Easy installation. Kronok door reinforcement lock has a long, swing bar, which folds over the closed door. Installation is quick and easy with the screws in package. The process is simple enough that almost any homeowner can do it easily in minutes. Worry-free purchase. Secure Home by Kronok. Swing bar door locks defend your home safe. Not only limit door opening for identification and prevent break-in, but also easy open from inside when meet urgent. Kronok provide considerate service to make sure you could buy with confidence and would try our best to solve any problem until you are satisfied. Top reviews from the United States. Great lock. This lock is great. It looks nice and works well. You definitely feel much safer with it being added to the door lock.